Peace, everybody. It's the grand scheme of crypto. First and foremost, nothing said here is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Taking a look at Bitcoin today, just a quick Bitcoin market update and analysis. As you can see, I've already kind of gotten everything together here, and we'll set these as our resistance. So pretty much the red lines are resistances or points of resistance that Bitcoin needs to break through for me as far as on my chart. So as you can see here, let me just zoom out a little bit. Also, first and foremost, peace to everybody out there. Peace and love. Hope everybody's having a good day. So as you can see from my chart here, bear with me, I don't have a mouse. I have to use my finger right now. So Bitcoin is currently sitting at a price of $37,300 or so. And so it had a nice little bounce up from, let's look at that wick. Pretty much around $34,166, about there. Pretty much bounced up from there, and now it's sitting at about 37,000. So not bad. It's pretty much what I've been seeing around, with other people's charts. 34,000, and also 30,000 is another key level that some other traders are looking at as far as Bitcoin to potentially correct or drop to before making a further push beyond 40,000 and back up to 50, 60, and maybe even to 100,000 sometime this year in 2022. So with that being said, as far as for me right now, and this is the daily chart, but as far as taking a look at Bitcoin right now, for me, it looks good. Today is Monday. And it has this building structure here, as you can see. And it's sitting right around one of my previous lines of support, which is around $37,650 or so. And I think it's going to pretty much, if it can hold this level and stay above here throughout the day, I think it'll continue to push upwards up until about 39,000 to 40,000. And that's where I believe it'll probably maybe get rejected and start to make another push downward, as far as another correction, in my opinion. But we'll see what happens. So I'm looking to, potentially, not saying I'm going to take a trade on this, but if I were, I would potentially, look to grab Bitcoin or long Bitcoin if it's able to hold this level and take it up to around, 39,000 or so. And then from there, maybe look to short if I see things start to kind of turn around. And that's just my opinion. Nothing is financial advice. Always do your own research, learn your own technical analysis, and draw your own lines. That way, if things don't pan out the way you thought they would, there's nobody to blame, or there's nobody to feel like is responsible but yourself, because you drew your own lines. And so that's why I got into technical analysis. I'm still learning, and I think I'm pretty good for somebody who is just starting out. But I trust, my first couple of trades pretty much are, I haven't lost a trade yet as far as just on my own. As far as my first official trades, as calling myself a trader, technical analysis wise, on my own charts. So, but yeah, besides that, guys, so I really advise to make sure you learn this stuff. This is the daily chart. Taking a look at the MACD also, it's green, which is bullish, which is good. 224 or so. And then also the stochastic RSI is currently 90, which indicates that it's overbought right now. And so it could be, we could be looking for, a little bit of a we could be looking for things to potentially, cool off and kind of turn around, potentially after we maybe come up to around here, or maybe even here, going back off of my old line here of this, I guess you can call it a wedge. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. It potentially to bounce off of one of these, or get rejected off of one of these two lines here, as far as my chart, and we'll see what happens. And that's all I have for today. As far as the stochastic RSI, anything over 70 is pretty much a bearish indication, as it, like I said, it indicates that the price action is overbought. And around 50 RSI is what you want to normally see, as far as it being just like the standard. So I'm going to be dropping a, just kind of giving you guys a little bit of information and education as far as the indicators that I use here, also on my analysis videos, just to kind of help you guys learn, and also to help me learn more as well. All right, but that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful. This is the daily chart. So, longer time frames play a bigger part on the chart, so keep that in mind. So let's see here. Yeah, so keep that in mind. This could take days to play out, and potentially throughout this entire month of February. So just keep your eyes on Bitcoin. It's the grand scheme of crypto. I'm out. Peace.